Hello guys, and welcome to another profile tree video. So in today's video, we're going to be looking at the best AI tools for digital marketers in 2025. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started. So one of the first tools that we're going to be looking at here is called ChatGPT. Now, ChatGPT is developed by a company called OpenAI. Now, this is an AI-powered chatbot, and it's very helpful for content creation. And this, I would say, would help digital marketers in various ways. Now, how is this exactly essential for 2025? Now, ChatGPT can help you not only create social media content, but it can help with blog posts, it can help with back office processes, it can even help you with email marketing campaigns, and it'll even respond to customer queries automatically. Now, this platform is designed to save you time on content creation by helping you come up with creative ideas and write high quality copy at scale. Now, let me just show you how you would use ChatGPT itself. So on our top left here, you have a sidebar, which will open up all of your different projects. Basically, projects and chats combined. Now, if you do want to open up a brand new chat, you'll have this option here to open up a new chat. Now, don't worry as well, if you do select a new chat, doesn't mean that your previous chat that you had with ChatGPT is gone. It'll still remain there on the saved messages or the saved chats that you have here within yesterday, today, previous days as well. So always imagine as well when you are creating a new message or you're talking to this platform itself, each of these different chats, I always treat them as like different people in a way. This is the best way I thought of doing or using this tool itself. So one would be for social media content, one would be for blog content, and then one could be for email marketing. The other one could be used as an assistant to help you with your back office process. So let me just showcase how this works. So where it says ask anything, basically just give it as much information as you can about your business. Now, this will be easier as well if you do have a website or some form of social media as well. So with us, of course, we have profile tree. So I'm going to go and copy the URL and then place it onto chat. Now, this is one of the ways you can do this. I'm going to enable the search function and I'm going to ask it to, so please tell me all the information you know on this website. So this is one of the many ways that you can create your prompt. So since we have a website, we're able to just pull off all the information that we have on that site over to ChatGPT. Now, again, say we don't have a website or no social media, then this is where you need to type up your prompt. Again, tell it your business name, give an idea of what exactly you do within your field of business, tell it how long you've been about, then that's when you can ask it for some help. So what we're going to do now is, since it has an idea of who we are, now with the information you have on profile tree, can you please give me a list of different content ideas? 7 days worth of social media ideas. So this is where we're going to ask it for some ideas now. Now, within the first prompt, you might not get everything you asked for. Of course, with this one, it's given us like Monday motivation, tip Tuesday, etc., etc. So if we are currently doing what it said, we can give it another prompt here. So can you please give me other ideas, as these are the ideas. Okay, so we'll just ask it for another way to do this. Okay, so you can see it's given us a fresh batch of 7 new social content ideas. Of course, you can build this up as well. You can ask it, okay, there's this caption that I like. You can take a screenshot of it and add it onto ChatGPT itself, and then it'll read that caption itself and try to create something similar. It does accept images. It does accept PDF files, documents, anything like that at all. That's through this plus icon. And you'll be able to connect your Google Drive if you need to, your OneDrive as well on Microsoft. And of course, you can upload from computer, which is the following, which is the images, documents, and so on. Now, not only is this capable of providing answers, but it's also capable of text to image generation. So let's just say we are creating a blog. So I'm creating a blog, and I need a featured image on, let's just say, digital strategy. I need the color green and white and the profile tree logo. Now, since our logo is on the search engines, if you don't have the logo itself, what I could do here is upload from computer, scroll down until, let me see if I can find our logo here. So I'm just going to upload our logo. You can see there, that's an image. So what I've asked it here is to create an image on digital strategy, and then I need the colors green and white. So once I enter that prompt, this should give me an image straight away. So I'll just wait until this is fully loaded. So I've just skipped ahead here. You can see that it's actually went for our brand colors, which is this particular green, and digital strategy with our logo at the bottom. Now, again, you can mix it up. Let's just say, can you add the profile tree logo at the background? Make it a bit transparent. Again, ChatGPT can make mistakes as well, so just be aware of that whenever you are using this platform. But we'll just ask it for a little bit more here. I want the featured image to pop a bit more. So again, I'll just wait for this to fully load. Again, you could kind of see what it's done here. It's made that a little bit transparent, and I'll just keep asking it a couple more things. Make that logo fill the screen. Want it to blend in. So this is the new text image generator that ChatGPT currently has, which is a lot better than what it used to be. So again, this can save a whole load of time, especially for, let's just say, creating YouTube thumbnails. You can either use it for Facebook or Instagram logos, or even business logos for that fact. So again, as long as you're typing up exactly what you need from that prompt, then you can get the image that you want. So again, I'll just wait for this to load. So I'm pretty happy with that. That looks okay to me, not too bad. I probably would have done without the tree there, but again, it's all about playing about with the tool itself until you get the right answer. So that will, I say, would do it as a social media post or even a featured image for a blog. So that's pretty much how you would use ChatGPT. Again, one of the ways you could use ChatGPT, and you could use it as I said, for back office processes, or you can even use it for content creation other than social media. So next up on the list is called Claude.ai. Now, this is another powerful AI tool developed by Anthropic. Now, Claude.ai is an advanced conversational AI, and it's pretty similar to ChatGPT, but it does have additional features designed for enterprise level applications, or you can even use it as well for mimicking or applying the same way of talk. I'll actually demonstrate that now. So again, it is capable of accepting images and reading those images as well. One thing in comparison to ChatGPT is that you can actually choose your style. So with this option here, you'll have it on the bottom of the prompt. Go ahead and click on it. You can actually see that I've done a couple there. So the way you would do this is by clicking on create and edit styles. Then you'll have a few options, of course, which is concise, explanatory, and formal. The other ones here I've done myself. Now, if I click on create custom style, I can actually share a writing example of how I talk. Now, two options. I can go and upload from device. So take a couple of screenshots on how I would talk to family, friends, or even clients. Or what I could do is paste text content. So again, paste at least a few paragraphs of example writing, including from multiple various sources if you'd like. Again, that's just writing the way you would talk. Once you're happy enough, you would just select create style. Now I'm just going to demonstrate how, again, you could use this. Again, very similar to ChatGPT itself. What you want to do here is just add or put your prompt in. Now, the difference between this and ChatGPT is that this actually doesn't have any connection with the internet, or well, not the internet, but the World Wide Web or any of the search engines. So if you put a link in here, it's not going to know it straight away. So you need to add as much detail of, let's just say, your business or anything that you're going to use it for. So I'm just going to say, we digital marketing agency, profile tree. Again, you would just put all of the information that you need in, and then I'm just going to ask it, can you please give me 7 days worth of social media content? So I'm currently using the free plan. There is also an upgrade to this. So we'll just wait for this to load. Okay, perfect. So it's given us some information here. And again, if you do want to use your own style, so let's just do the explanatory. So we're going to try it with a different style. And there you go. You can see there that it's slightly different from what we have here. Again, you can personalize this if you want to, just with the way you talk with your clients, family, friends, if you upload your own writing style on this. So that is Claude.ai. So this is our next platform, which is called Opus Clip. Now, this is an AI-driven video editing tool, and it helps yourselves create short, engaging video content for social media and other platforms as well. Now, its job here is to convert long-form videos into short-form videos or short clips. So, as it states there, one long video, 10 viral clips, create 10 times faster. So, the reason why I would recommend to use this is short-form videos are becoming very popular, or if not already popular. And I would say Opus Clip is the perfect tool if you want to create high quality video content quickly. Now, it uses AI to analyze your long form video and extract the most engaging segments, and that'll save you hours of editing time. Again, there is a free version to this, and you are limited within the time that you could use it for, or the amount of minutes that you can use. So you do have 1 hour free to use per month. And if you upload let's just say a 20-minute video, then it's going to eat up 20 minutes of that 1 hour, and you'll only be left with 40 minutes. And you can drop in a video link, or what you can do as well is upload files. So you can see what it supports: YouTube, Google Drive, Vimeo, Zoom, Rumble, Twitch, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Loom, Riverside, StreamYard, and several more as well. And you could see the different languages that it supports as well. So I would say a fantastic tool. You can actually see a little bit of a demo here just below. on how it adds B-rolls, how it does the AI at the start to analyze it, does the auto framing on it as well. And of course, it does auto generate it, so it's perfect for mobile use. So one of the reasons why I would recommend to use Opus Clip. Now, this is our next platform, which is called copy.ai. Now, this AI power tool is designed to help marketers create high converting copy from social media posts to email newsletters and product descriptions. Again, very, very useful for this. Now, copy.ai uses AI to understand your brand's tone and then create copies or a copy that resonates with your target audience. Now, whether you're crafting catchy ad headlines, writing blog posts, or personalizing email content, copy.ai makes the process much faster and easier. Now, just a little bit of a tip. If you use copy.ai for A to B testing, you could use it across different channels. Now, you can also test variations of your headlines and emails to see which version drives the most engagement or conversions. Again, you'd be using this for your social media platforms. You can see here how it works as well. Workflows that you have here, copy agents, brand voice. So a very useful tip. I would say that this will tie in nicely with the text generator AI tools that I've went through there, which is ChatGPT and Claude.ai. Again, if you tie this in with copy.ai, you should be able to publish some really catchy and very engaging content. Now, coming on to our last platform here, which is called Descript. So Descript, again, is another AI-powered tool for video editing and transcription. Descript is unique because it allows you to edit videos as if you're editing a text document. You're pretty much able to cut, paste, and remove filler words like and with a few clicks. Again, you're just able to condense that video a little bit better as well. Very useful platform, I would say. And since video content will continue and is continuing to dominate social media in 2025, I would say Descript makes it easy to create polished professional videos without needing advanced editing skills. It's perfect for podcasters, vloggers, and anyone looking to optimize their video content creation workflow. So guys, that pretty much reaches the end of the video. If you found the video helpful, let us know in the comment section below. We'd like to know what you think. But other than that, I'll see you guys for the next video. Thank you very much for watching.